Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this one I decided to take a bit of a break from the Inktober prompts, the official prompt list, and do something a little bit more my style. I was, watching all the Halloween movies, and this she I'm just gonna say, okay, Wednesday Addams is my personal spirit animal. Okay, I loved her as a kid. I thought she was like the best thing ever. And it wasn't in the Addams Family, the movie, but Addams Family Value. That one was like the best, and she was just doing her thing in that one. So I had to immortalize her. And what better way during Halloween? And I figured this will be a great way to start my new series, which is going to be Creepy Girls. I wanted to do pretty much all of my influences and just the creepy girls, the goth girls that I loved growing up and I love now. And so I started off with, of course, Wednesday Addams, because she's like the creepy girl. So yeah, taking a break away from Inktober, like the prompt list. I still wanted to do some ink, so you're going to see some inking in this video. I'm also doing a little digital editing because my handwriting is atrocious. I tried to do this like decorative border, and it would have worked fine had I not completely screwed up the text as I wrote it, because I missed a word, and I was like, man, so I had to go in and do it digitally, fix it digitally. So yeah, her name is also not, you see it here a little bit, and then later on in when the angles switch, you'll see the way I wrote her name, and that's not how you'll see it when it's done. Anyway, I'm gonna let the music play out here, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.